Hi guys, welcome to Shisha's Kitchen, the taste of heaven. Today we are going to see how to make 3 delicious milkshakes. Those are melon, mango and everyone's favorite chocolate milkshake. This is an easy, quick and a healthy recipe. As it is summer, this is a refreshing drink. So let's see how to make the melon milkshake. I'm going to take 1 cup of melon. Make sure you use it immediately after you have cut it or you will get a bitter taste. 4 tablespoons of honey as it's a healthy milkshake. If you want, you can also use sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 200 milliliter of cold milk, 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. Let's blend it now. I'm using hand blender. You can also use a mixie. Wow, our delectable milkshake is ready. For decoration, I'm going to add a scoop of ice cream and I'm going to dust it with some nuts. This looks so amazing. Now for the mango milkshake, I'm going to add 1 cup of mango. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of honey. Again guys, it's your choice. You can also add sugar. 200 milliliters of cold milk, 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. So now let's blend it smooth into a nice mixture. Wow, look at the king of fruits. Friends, look at the color. Isn't it amazing? I'm going to top my milkshake with a scoop of vanilla ice cream and I'm going to further decorate it with some mint leaves. That's it, our mango milkshake is ready. Now let's go for the chocolate milkshake. I'm going to take 300 milliliters of cold milk, 2 tablespoons of date syrup as it gives us brown color. You can also use honey, 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup, 1 scoop of chocolate ice cream. Let's blend it together nicely. Wow guys, look at this beautiful dark deep chocolate milkshake. I am sure all of you are going to enjoy this drink. For decoration, I'm adding a scoop of chocolate ice cream and doing a spiral design with the chocolate syrup. That's it, our milkshakes are ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Love you guys. Bye bye.